guys, what's up? Wow, my god, I look so ugly today. I don't know why, but we're gonna look better because this is going to be a makeup video, and purple, my favorite color, and probably your favorite according to the comments. So don't forget to... What the hell is wrong today? Guys, I really hope before watching this video you have subscribed to your channel, watch our transformation, like the videos, and have fun, because I think you're gonna like it. And this one, today I'm not really in a good mood. Actually, this week I'm not in a real good mood. Have you ever felt like that some days are not just your days, just like what happened now? Just for this acne, instead of using concealer, I use Dermaco foundation because it has a very high cover. You can't even see it because, it has high cover. The days that even though you try so hard to get to your goals, to achieve something you want, and you know you're good at it, but you just can't get to it, and you don't know why, but I just prefer to say some days aren't just yours. And I wanted to know that what do you usually do in these days? Like, what do you do to make yourself feel better, or just, just pass it? Some kind of good or bad, doesn't matter, just to feel a little bit better. Like, I myself prefer to, just lie down and play some movies and watch till I die, and also eat. It's my favorite food, and just take a break of the world outside and not communicate or contact with anybody, to just be alone, to just get along with my own feelings, to just move on and let these days just pass. Because I believe that it doesn't matter what you do, it's just the days. It's like I don't know, Tuesday in Supernatural. If you watch it, you know what I mean. If you don't, you absolutely don't know. And this week was just the week for me that nothing went well. I was so busy. I couldn't do any of my plans that I wanted to do. And you know what? I usually have plan B, C, D, E, because the life isn't ideal, and we never can get to what we actually want. But even though I had these plans, the things didn't go well. And I wanted to just tell you, just shoot this video to tell you that I know that we all have these days, but over here, the important thing is not to give up. I know I'm not a good person to give this advice, especially these days, that I feel so pessimistic, which I'm usually not, but I just want to talk about it. I guess the best thing we can do for these days is just, to take a break. And it shouldn't be long, but it should be enough to just refresh yourself. And I guess we should just remember this, that nothing in this world is stable. I mean, the only stable thing in this world is changing. Such a saying. But remember that if today is not your day, if today whatever you do, it just doesn't go well, your effort doesn't work, it doesn't mean you're bad at it, or that you're not good enough to do it. You have thought about it, so you definitely can do it. It just means that today wasn't a good day to do it. So go back tomorrow. The problem is we think we're living in an ideal world. Whenever we just make a plan, everything will go according to that plan, which never does. It was a beautiful line from Walking Dead series, and it says, "Have you ever heard God's laugh when you're making a plan?" Well, that's it. That's what I'm saying. Even you have made the best plan, there are always the chances to it fails, and that's okay. You should just accept that it's okay, and you can try later. You can try again and finally you will get to. You should just stop torturing yourself and blaming yourself by the things beyond your control. Anyway, let's talk a little bit of the makeup, of what we are actually here to do it. Today I'm going to use this watermark or aqua colors for more pigment. This is actually a technique for having more pigment. Shoot, I guess I forgot something. We have to use pink for this part and then we will work on purple. The color should be mostly in here and then we fade it. And just before it dries, use the eyeshadow on it. For inner parts, we use light purple, just a little, and it's time for our eyeliner. And that's it. Also, I like to use some jewel here. With no doubt, this eyeshadow, this makeup is the best thing of this week, and I love it. I'm really happy that we had this conversation. I feel kind of released, and it was like I needed to talk about it to someone, and I'm really happy to share it with you guys. And if you ever feel like you're experiencing these days, just remember the famous one from a famous Iranian poet, Khayyam, that this also passes. It tastes like chocolate. I want to eat it. It's so good. So good. So if you don't have a good day, good month, good year, don't feel like that it's gonna be the same. No. Maybe today isn't your day, but tomorrow will be a new day, which you can make it forward for your wishes. So this is our purple makeup look, which I really like these graphic eyeliners. So I hope our talking was kind of helpful for you in your hard times. It was for me. And don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, like the videos, and tell me how do you like this makeup in the comments. Love you guys so much, and bye bye.